Dan here, back with another unboxing video for you today. Here we have the Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin. Very excited to see what this has to offer. I was looking for a solution for a security cam that I could stick on the back of my garage just to get a visual of the whole backyard without a lot of hassle, without a lot of installation. And so very excited to see what this has to offer. Let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so here we have the Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin. This, rather than the standard models, is one that you actually just stick in. You're not actually mounting it to your home. Alright, so just going to cut this open. Should be able to just slide that out. It says in the box we have our Stick-Up Cam plugin, indoor-outdoor power adapter. That way you can actually mount it outside if you're worried about weather or in a climate where there is like winter and things like that. It has the user manual, a security sticker, screws and wall anchors, and the requirements are standard Wi-Fi, power either through standard outlet or PoE, and it says add a Ring quick release battery pack sold separately for backup power. So here is our user manual, our security sticker that we can set up, the French equivalent. We have our setup steps. I'm talking about downloading the Ring app. It includes a QR code and then completing your setup. Comes with a free 30-day trial of Ring Protect so that you can back up all of your videos to the cloud. And then standard warranty info. Say hello to Ring. And here it is. Our Ring camera. And then power supplies and mounting hardware. So here we can see our very large indoor-outdoor power supply. All of our anchors and our screws. And then just our wall plug power adapter. And that is everything that's included in the box. So we have our power, our outlet, anchors, Ring Protect sticker, ring, and all of our documentation. Okay guys, so there you have it. There was the unboxing of the Ring Stick-Up Cam security camera. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, all that feedback is much appreciated. I respond to everything, so keep commenting. If you really like the video, hit the like button. As well, hit subscribe and that bell icon so that you're actually able to get notified every single time I do post these videos. As well, let me know if there's anything else you want to see in terms of Ring products. I'm always looking to do more reviews, so let me know what you're looking to see. See you in the next one.